Hey guys, it's Stacey Talks TV and I am back with another video. So I wanted to do a quick review on the Cricut Easypress Mini. Now this have had a lot of bad reviews. I don't know why. Usually I don't buy Cricut products because they tend to be too overpriced and you don't really get your money's worth. Like, for example, their vinyl for about $20, you're only paying for like 3 sheets, and that's less than at least 2 or 3 projects. When on Amazon you can get a whole roll for like $20 and do more than 5 projects. But again, let's get into this. So I'm gonna open it up. So this was $50. You have the heat press holder, and then you have the heat press itself. Now I got this again, $50 at Michael's. This is the temperature button. It goes 3 temperatures: not too hot, medium hot, and hot. This gets really hot. I was so shocked at how little it is and how hot it really gets. This gets really hot. And again, this comes with the holder. And it's $50 at Michael's. I believe it is $50 on Amazon as well. You can get this at Amazon and Target and Walmart. I barely see these in my Walmart. These are like always sold out. Cricut stuff is always sold out. But I would definitely recommend people to get this. Like, I would mostly use this for making like onesies for my daughter. Bigger projects, I do have 2 more heat presses. But this is mostly for smaller projects. So if you have tried a big project with this, let me know. But it just wouldn't seem right unless you're doing a shirt like this and you're doing like a little section. But this is mostly for smaller projects. And again, it gets really hot. I let it sit for at least 30 to 45 minutes to cool down. But once it's hot, and you have to let it cool down. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Highly recommended. And for those who, like me, are starting out with heat pressing and vinyl, scissor, and Cricut, this is definitely a must buy. Most heat presses are about $100, $200, or even $50, $60. But for $50, you can't go wrong with this. You can't go wrong with this. So whatever reviews that was heard that was bad, I have to object to it because this is a must buy. This is definitely a must buy. And this is what the front of the box look like, and then the back of the box. And you can pick it up at Michael's. And I'm sure Black Friday is about to hit within what, 2-3 months. These go on sale for at least $40. And it's a nice gift to buy somebody. You don't even have to keep it yourself. You can re-gift it or gift it to somebody else who loves to do arts and crafts. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.